Good morning, DMK International, and that means each and every one of you around the world. I feel like American anchor people that are like Anderson Cooper and different ones that are actually being filmed from their apartments or a very sequestered studio. But we're all in this together, so we do what we can. And that brings me to the suggestion of keeping your business going from home. And you can, because people are already doing it. You know, I never think of DMK home prescriptives as retail. I think of them as prescriptives. We don't sell, we prescribe. And oddly enough, a lot of our therapists and doctors have been reporting that they have actually sold more retail since all of this crisis started than ever before. Basically, there's sort of a push to do that when you can't actually reach out and touch somebody. But you can consult them. But right now, we're going to focus on what I call the Coronavirus Emergency Pack. And this is the pack, the Stay Home Safe Special. Now, all of you are familiar with this, and a lot of you have gone ahead and done this anyway with most of your clients. But quite a lot of people have forgotten that Foamy Lift Mask is a modified version of Enzyme Mask 1. And when I say modified, when I originally formulated it, I put a buffer in it that would not allow the activity to go below the stratum corneum very, very deeply. You know, effective, yes, and in some cases, actually, particularly in African American and African skins, brightens up the skin right away. But basically, it's an ongoing type of treatment at home for a really good result at the end of your professional treatment protocol time. The thing about the Foamy Lift, and you'll see in this video clip with our top educator here at headquarters, Laura Hernandez. Now, Laura is following what's the instructions on the jar says. That's for general use, but since you are professionals and you're going to be counseling your patient or your client at home through Skype, FaceTime or whatever, tell them to mix it accordingly to the size of their face. I mean, there are some people that have big faces, others have tiny faces. There's men. Also to the area they wish to address. Some of the people will want to bring this all the way down past the décolleté, or let's say it's a male client with a little bit of chest acne or whatever. They can use that as a guiding rule, as Laura is showing. Now, I did make a comment on Facebook, because I'm a cranky old man. Wonderful video, but too thin. On the other hand, that's relative to the person's face. So yes, go by the instructions, but you can suggest more of a foamy lift in the bowl with your client as you're consulting with them at home. The reason we picked Deep Pore Pure, now Deep Pore Pure is not the best all-time cleanser for each and everybody. That's why we have various cleansers. But during this particular time, we found out that it is the most bacterial resistant, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So we picked that one because it is a very deep, deep cleanser. And then the Foamy Lift Mask, Escleroderma Peel, the bowl, and the brush. That's the kit. And each and every one of your clients, if they're not on this already, should be on it ASAP. Thank you.